Hello, and thank you for coming back to my channel. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. In this video, we're going to be making a gorgeous tray to hold your candles. You will be the envy of all your friends. Here are the items, what you're going to be needing. And I will also leave a link in the box for the Amazon items. Yours does not have to be silver. It can be gold. It can be rose gold. But this is the tray, the shadow box tray that came from Dollar Tree. They also have a larger one available as well. Like I said before, it doesn't have to be in silver. I'll have a link for the silver paper, the gold paper, rose gold paper. The same as with the rhinestones. There will be a link for those. These are peel and stick. Covering it up, you're just going to cut the width of whatever you need to cover up the frame. The first thing you're going to be doing with the frame is flipping it over, taking out the plaque, and also you're going to be removing the picture hanger. After you get that plaque out, you're just gonna use that as a pattern to cut your paper. When you're cutting your paper, make sure you leave a ½ inch around the border just to make sure it's covered, and then you can just cut off the excess once you have your plaque covered. You're going to be covering the flat portion, and you can leave the wording on the bottom because it's not going to be shown. You may not have to spray paint if you're going to be using your rhinestone glitters from Amazon, but I know with the glam wrap from Dollar Tree, there are spaces so the wood may show through. It is totally up to you. And like when you're cutting your bling wrap or your rhinestones, you're just going to cut it to fit the width of the top, inside, and just cover all around. And you will see here on my completed one where everything is covered, even the inside of the shadow box. And once that light hits it, it is gorgeous. Now these votive holders are sold in groups of 4 at the Dollar Tree. The glass votive holder. The acrylic gems, I've seen them in the clear. They're hard to find, but they also have them in blue and red. But I suggest you get the clear. Surprise! We have a number 2, DIY number 2, a silver tray makeover. This silver tray was filled with tarnish. I got it from Goodwill, and it was only $2.89. I did pick up another one, but this one was the most tarnished. You're just gonna have to clean it up with some alcohol and a lint-free cloth, sand off some of the other stuff that didn't come off with the alcohol, take it outside to a well-ventilated area, and spray paint. You can have them all the same color, or you can remove the handles and spray paint them a different color. I choose to spray paint my handles in gold and my tray in silver. Just make sure they are dry before you apply your clear coat, and make sure everything is dry before you attach your handles back onto the tray. I just think this came out very, very nice. I did not have to get out the polish. Just sand it down and paint it. lot less work. Just a whole lot less work instead of polishing it, just cleaning and spray paint it. And since you're going to be handling it, if you chose to handle it, just make sure you put a clear coat over it. You got to keep everything together. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what colors you decided to use on your items. Don't forget to watch my previous videos on the glitter glam clock and the tissue box cover and the centerpiece made from glitter frames from Dollar Tree. And this cute little gem that I love. There's a video on that as well. And there's a video on this. This chair was made long before I decided to do my YouTube channel. So I thank you for tuning in, and I thank you for returning to check me out. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a great one. Bye.